Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to find or how to play sitting on any video on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy. For example, the first thing you have to do, go to the explore page or where you scroll, and here,
So
for
you
example,
don't
this
have to.
video, click on this share icon, and as you see here, you will find this play sitting. Click on it, and here you will find the mini player or a silent play. You can turn it on or turn it off, and that's it. You can turn the mini player or the silent player as you want. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. And if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.